Alright, in this video I'm going to talk about using fillets and using the arc tool. And I think I had another video on the arc tool. Um, Actually, maybe I didn't. So yeah, we'll talk about arcs in this video as well. So let's start with the fillet. That's the easier one. So on this image here, we have this curve going from the vertical line to the horizontal line. And it gives you the radius here of 10 millimeters for that arc. Using the fillet tool is extremely easy in Inventor. I could have done it in sketch mode, and I can show you how that would work. If I go to fillet, I type 10 in this box here, and then I click on the point that I want to fillet, and then I finish sketch, and it'll update my part with the fillet. I'm going to undo that because as easy as that was, it's actually still harder than not doing it that way. And sometimes there's other reasons why that could get complicated. So I like to do it in 3D mode, where the fillet button is right here. My radius goes in this box, 10. And I simply click on the edge that I want to fillet, and voila, the fillet is applied. So I have a 10 millimeter radius fillet, curved turn, and I add it to the surface. Now I'm going to add this arc. I'm going to cut material away to add this arc, and this can get kind of tricky sometimes. Again, Inventor gets picky with points and arcs being fully closed. So I'm going to sketch on this top face, and like a good student, the first thing I'm going to do as I start the sketch is project the geometry of that face onto my sketch. Now, go to the image. This arc is 30 millimeters in radius. So that tells me that from the top of here to the center point of the arc is 30 millimeters. And I know that this thing is 60 millimeters wide, so my arc is going to be centered on this side. I'll go back to my sketch here. I'm going to place a point. I'm going to pick up this center here. So notice it picks it up with that black dotted line, but I still have to dimension it. So I'm going to put that point in, and I'm going to dimension from the point to this line. That's going to be 30. And from the point to, dimension from the point to that side, it's also going to be 30. So now I'm going to draw an arc connecting from this side to that side. So I'm going to use a center point arc. Start at the center. Make sure I have that green dot there. And the green dot didn't pick up, sorry. Center point arc. Center. Put that green dot there. Come out a little bit. We'll bring it around and get the green dot on the other side. Now that should be enclosed, but it says it's fully constrained. So I'm going to finish sketching. I'm going to try to do an extrude cut. Extrude. And notice it selected that profile for me, and that's not what I want. So I'm going to click on profile and hold control and select that profile again to get rid of it. Now I'm going to zoom in here. I want this profile out here. So I'm trying to click on it. It's not letting me. Alright, so I'm going to have to go back into this sketch. And I'm going to do a closed loop. Right click, closed loop. Okay. Click on that corner. On this corner. Coincident constraint, yes. Loop has been closed. Finish sketch. Extrude. Now it's letting me select those two edges I want to cut. Distance through all. Select OK, and the remaining material has been cut.